Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about properties of set complement. Previous classes we already discussed about properties of union and intersection. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, there are 6 properties are there. The easy ones we are going to understand with the diagrams. And the last one is most of the times they are going to ask you this 6th one. So we are going to show the derivation, how to prove this we'll show the derivation here. Now coming to this the first property, A union A complement equal to universal set. Let's take this diagram. This entire box is universal set. Means all the elements that present in the universe. A means this circle elements. A union A complement means that does not belongs to A. We call it as A complement. Means all the elements that belongs here is A complement. A union A complement means all the elements. Means the entire universal set. So that's why A union A complement is equal to universal set. Similarly, A intersection A complement. A complement. Is there any common between A complement? That is what A complement means. That does not belongs to A. That is what A complement means. There is no common. So A intersection A complement is equal to 5. Similarly, universal set complement is equal to 5. Universal means all the elements. That does not belongs to universe means empty set. There is nothing. So that's why U complement is equal to 5. Similarly, 5 complement is equal to U. Empty set. That complement means empty set. Complement means that does not belongs to empty set means it belongs to universal set. All the elements. So 5 complement is equal to U. Similarly, the 5th one, A complement whole complement is equal to A. So now we are going to understand the 6th one, De Morgan's law. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. One more is there. A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So we are going to derive this, how we are going to get this De Morgan's law. Let's take this, the first one, A union B whole complement. So let X is an element that belongs to A union B whole complement. That meaning of this, X does not belongs to A union B. That is what complement says. A union B whole complement means the elements that does not belongs to A union B comes to A union B whole complement. So X does not belongs to A union B. X does not belongs to, this can be written as, this is the point you need to understand here, X does not belongs to A union B. That meaning X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So that can be written as X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So X does not belongs to A means X belongs to A complement and X does not belongs to B means X belongs to B complement. This can be written as X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. So we have taken this and we have derived this. Similarly, the next one, Y belongs to A intersection B whole complement. It's very easy to understand. Y does not belongs to A intersection B. It does not belongs to A intersection B means Y does not belongs to A or Y does not belongs to B. And Y does not belongs to A means Y belongs to A complement, or Y does not belongs to B means Y belongs to B complement. So this can be written as Y belongs to A complement union B complement. So this is how we got the De Morgan's law. Hope you understand these properties of complement, set complement. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.